So this is going to be a guide on setting your processor affinity for GameServerApp on Windows Docker. So first we're going to need to know what our processor bit mask is. So to find that out, you're going to want to go and grab this software called HWLock. Go grab it. It's this one here. You want the Win64 build. And then once you have it, extract the file, go into bin, and then grab this ls topo exe. Don't grab the -win one. So what you'll notice, the -win one does not pop up this command prompt, but this command prompt is what actually tells you the commands. The only two you really need to know for here is plus minus zooms out, F turns off factoring or collapsing. So I'm going to hit F, and then it's going to show this. Maximize it, and you might or might not have to zoom in or out with minus or plus. Anyway, so this is showing your cores. So I've got two processors on this, so they're both 12-core processors. You notice everything starts at 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So say I want to be on CPU, or I'm going to call it CPU here because if I go to Task Manager, and go down to Win32 Calc, which I'll show you here in a second, that's what we're going to be using. So if I hit Set Affinity, these are CPU 0 through 23, and those are equivalent to 0 through 23. And then this does 24 through 47. That's actually the numbers you'll be needing for setting the bit mask. However, Task Manager starts back over with CPU 0, node 1. So say we want to be on 10 and 12. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here. The command for that is this one here. Also grab that. Anyway, this 13. So if I go back over to calculator, hit programmer, and then you want to be on binary. So we said we wanted to be 12 and 10. So to do this, you start with the highest processor number you want to be. So we want to be on 12. We do not want to be on 11. We want to be on 10. We don't want to be on 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0. 0, there is a 0th processor. Now, once you have that, you're going to go over here to decimals. That's going to be 5120. Now, some of those numbers get high. So for sanity checking, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to PowerShell, and we're going to do this with Win32 Calc, and we're going to hit Enter. So now we've set that to be 10 and 12. Go back to Task Manager, and then Set Affinity, and you'll notice that now the only two that are set is 10 and 12. So now to actually set this for your ARC server, what you're going to want to do, go to Server Files, which is under, I have it under C, you can't have it elsewhere, you should know if you do. GameServerApp, Containers. This here is found in the top corner here. We'll leave that shut off for later. Okay, so now that you're there and then into server files, you'll see this GSA control.ps1, and you'll know you're in the right spot. So what you're going to want to do is right-click, new, and then text document. And we want to do this as a.ps1, and then delete the others if you don't want the .text at the end. It'll ask you if you want to change it. Say yes. I'm going to edit with Notepad++. You can edit in your variant. Okay, so once you're there, you're going to go back over to here, and you're going to grab this here. We want that command. And then we said that we wanted it to be on 10 and 12. So that's 5120. We're going to edit this. And then this is a survival ascendant server. So it's no longer shooter game server. It's now Arc Ascendant server. I don't know if caps matter, but I tend to do them. Now notice there's no .exe. Don't know if I said that earlier. And we're going to hit save. Then we're going to go over here to our config template under settings, and we're going to put this command here. It's also over here, and that's right here. Now, this will be the same across all servers. Where it differs is the a.ps1 in this bitmask here. So we're back over here. We've got that there. We've scrolled up. We've hit save settings. And then what it does is it starts a.ps1 and then just goes on. It does not wait for a.ps1 to show back up. Now, what a.ps1 has in it is this here. It sleeps for 20 seconds. You can tweak this, but 20 seems good enough to me. And then it will grab the process, currently Arc Ascendant server, and then it will set that process to this affinity. So let's go over here. And hit start. So we're going to start the server. Go back over here. Let me see where I've got this speed, pause. Let's go to high. And then we have okay, so I've got, okay, this one here is going to be our new one. So if we hit set affinity, you notice it's currently got all of them set. And I say it's a new one because I'm looking at the RAM. It's often hard to tell. But if we try that again, okay, now that we've given it that 20 seconds, it's set to 10 and 12. And that is a hopefully brief enough guide. Feel free to ping me on Discord, Birdman3131 in the GameServerApp Discord. I'm on there fairly often. So thank you and have a good day.